In the design, we find that the color of iron or aluminum is a dark color, and it's a paint material for each of iron and aluminum. So these windows are aluminum. Open the project. When we press B, Materials dialog appears, and from Colors named list, we will choose an appropriate color for the material we want. We don't want this black color, it's very dark. So the closest color is 0136. Right click on it, then Add to Model. We will choose Add to Model so that this material copied to N model list. When we click on Add to Model and get to N model list from this home icon, we will find a copy of the material. Here we focus on it being a copy, not the original color included in the program in the colors named list. Meaning that if we edit this copy, this edit will not occur to the original. And this happens with all standard materials included within the program when used it in the model. If I want to change the name of this material or color, I will select this material or color. Then here you will find the name box. Clear the old name and type the new name. It will be a number. We will name this material 01. By choosing the Select tool, the name changes to the new name. Or by clicking in the workspace like this, we will find that the new name has been confirmed. I will start applying this material to surfaces, so I will press letter B. Then I will start to see what surfaces need this material. Find this aluminum window. First press on spacebar for Select tool, then open this component, triple click. After that, we make sure that we are on Shaded Style or Shaded with Textures. Choose Shaded with Textures to view the material applied to these surfaces. We will exit this part and get to this grid. Also apply the material to it. Then horizontal grids. After that, this window frame. We will not do methods that select this all frame as we were doing, but we will unselect this, then choose Bent Back tool, then holding Control and apply the material. Find that all the frame is bented because Control apply material to all connected surfaces, and this frame is one piece, so it applied the material to all connected surfaces of this piece. Then we will make these panels. Thus we have this window with applied material. Glass material is remained to the next lesson. We will apply the glass material. After that, we will apply the same material or color to this door, except this part according to the design, the part that contains the hand. The video will be speed because we know now the steps to apply this material.